Hey everybody, today we are going to change the front brake pads on a Subaru Crosstrek. We are going to use a 14mm socket to loosen up this top bolt and completely remove the one down here on the bottom. That will allow this to swing completely up to get to the brake pads, which are here. Once you flip this up, you can see the brake pads here in the front and the back. Loosen up the cap on the brake fluid. What you're going on to do next is use a C-clamp, which I have laying right here, to push in those two pistons to allow room for the new brake pads. I'm using a bungee cord to hold the caliper up, make it a little easier to work. That's pretty much it on how to replace the brake pads, the front brake pads rather. Repeat the process on the other side. Make sure you tighten this back up for the brake fluid. Thanks for watching.